Hello guys, welcome. This is Deepika from mytutorialrack.com. Now we are jumping to more of intermediate level questions. And the first question that we have in that section is to figure out any compile time issues that are there. So this is the question. Which of the below generates a compile time error, and tell me the reason for it. Now, the point to note here is I'm asking for compile time. I'm not asking for runtime because there is a slight difference between compilation time and runtime. So during the compile time, which of these you think is going to give an issue? So you can see here, this is a simple array, n1 is equals to new of int of 0, which is fine. This statement is absolutely correct. It's 0 is the size of the arrow, which is fine. Now here it is saying n2 is equals to new of boolean, and we are doing minus of 200. So we are creating a boolean array and the size is minus 200. Now this statement is correct from compilation perspective, but during runtime this is going to cause you an issue, and we'll see it in a minute. Similarly, let's go to the line number 3. Here it is saying double of array n3 is equals to new double, and this is the size. This one, new of double, and this is the size. The maximum that you can have in an integer is about this much. Okay, it is beyond the capacity of the integer, so this is going to give you a compile time issue. And then the fourth looks correct. You are creating a character array and of the size 20. This is correct. Okay, so there is an issue with this one and this one, but this issue is at the runtime, whereas this is going to have the issue at the compile time. So what I've done here is I've copied the same exact line of codes into my Eclipse, and if you see here, it is giving an issue at this line, which is the double. It's not giving any issue at the line number 2 right now. And what is the issue it is saying? If I hover my mouse, it will say the literal to this value of the type int is out of range. So this value is out of range, and that's why it is giving you a compile time error. Now, if I comment this piece of code and we run this, we are going to get another error here, which is the runtime error, and it is because of this one is where the issue is. It says exception in thread main minus 200. You're giving the size of the array as minus 200, and that's why you're giving a negative array size exception. Okay, so this is the exception that is being caused at line number 7. So there are two issues with the program. One was at the compile time and the other one was at the runtime. So at runtime, this issue popped up. During the compilation time, this issue popped up. I hope this interview question is crystal clear. I'm going to see you in the next video. Stay tuned for that.